bit of extended footage for those of you that like watching middle-aged men soldering. A time-lapse video of me soldering the backplane for the RC2014. I'll see you at the end. Enjoy. Must be on about the half-hour mark now. Feels like it anyway. Let's just check. 33:32 according to the timestamp on the recording. Not all of that is soldering. Last few joints to do. And the job is a good one. Right. Tin the soldering iron. Put that away. Let's inspect my handiwork. Yeah, that's pretty good. I can live with that. Right. I hope you've enjoyed this bonus footage. And yeah, I'll put links in the video for the playlist for the RC24 build. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.